Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video, and recently I created this effect on my YouTube channel, and today I will create a tutorial on this, how I created this. So let's start this. So if I just close this video, and this is the final output here in Unreal Engine. Okay, so frame by frame if you'll see there's an animation till here, nothing's changing. Then hand is turning red, and then there's a flash here. And when flash comes, this character turns white and background turns black. And then on the next frame, character turns black. And then on the next frame, character turns normal. And the BG also turns gray, normal. Okay, so this is what I did. So basic thing I will do again, and I'll show you how I did that. And I'll also show you here. So basically what I did, if I just take a new label, okay, and I'll create a new folder here, dash. Okay, and let's say to make it gray, you can take the exponent height fog and you can make this gray, right? And you can make this white. And to make it black, there's a value that is fog maximum opacity. You can make it black, or you can change the color from here. So you can animate anything. Okay, so we will animate this value in the sequencer. So right click here in the cinematic,